it's Tabitha, and we're currently very, tired and sweaty and greasy, but I didn't have to go to work today, so I'm here with another video, and we're going to be trying out some products that ft.stylevana sent me, and we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup. Hopefully, it's pretty good. So, yeah, ft.stylevana sent me some products, and ft.stylevana sent me some products, and we're gonna be getting into those today. They sent me skincare and makeup. I don't know if we're gonna get to use all of these in the video, but I will use a lot of it. They sent me a lot of stuff like toners and face mists and gel patches and some makeup like Tony Moly blush and the 3CE lipstick. I love me some 3CE. Yeah, we're gonna be using that, and I'm gonna tell you if I like it or not, because I'm built like that, right? So yeah, and also they're all pink and red, so I love that for us on this good day. So let's get started. Okay, if I had planned this ahead, and I did not, I would probably use the mask last night. I would use the mask last night, and also the rose water patches. I like both of them. The only thing is, if you don't like rose scented stuff, I probably don't know. I don't think you would like these, but they have that really artificial rose smell, and honestly, I can sort of vibe with it. So it is what it is. If you like skincare, I might do a separate video on those. So yeah, I already moisturized. So I'm just gonna use my face mist and toner to prep for makeup. Okay, so I just decided to do a voiceover for this. We're gonna use the Falling Into the Mist toner right here, like that. Then we're gonna use our foundation, like I've used in so many other videos. We're gonna conceal, don't feel right, with this LA Girl concealer. I'm pretty sure it's in, I think this is one in Fawn. Might be, I'll just put it on the screen right there, right here, right, like that. We're gonna conceal before we contour, because we're gonna still conceal after we contour, and then we're gonna contour some more after that, because we really need it. That's what I'm doing here. I applied it under the eye, beside the nose. Later I do it beside the mouth. Pretty sure I cut that out. On the nose, on the forehead, any place we need to highlight naturally, just make it look a little bit more natural, and lightened, right? So I'm not actually using the Art Class by Rodin contour palette. I'm actually using an eyeshadow by Morphe from the Morphe 35C or whatever palette, and I'm using that eyeshadow to contour my nose, because the Rodin contour palette was not working for me. This is the Makeup Revolution highlighter. Very bomb, very cute, sort of rosy, sort of like a rosy sort of pink, like really light color. It's very beautiful on my type of skin tone. I really love it. So I'm gonna apply that on the nose, nowhere else. If you're feeling a little crazy, right, maybe do it on the high part of the cheek, maybe on the cupid's bow. Other than that, you want to keep it pretty natural. Okay, right here is where things start to go a little south. I didn't know that the blush wouldn't show up at all. If anything, I thought it'd be like a little bit pale pink. Right here you can see my immediate regret after applying it. But it didn't turn out that way, so I just grabbed another blush. I recommend this blush. It's just not in this color if you're anybody like even close to my skin tone. So yeah. So soon after that, I made my second big mistake. I applied another blush from the Rodin Art Class blush palette, and it wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be. Here you can see my immediate regret and suffering. However, the look turned out fine. It was just like, it turned out a little cakey for me because I applied so many blushes on accident. But other than that, everything was fine. Just trust the process from here on out. I promise it'll be better. So in a last ditch effort, I applied the Nuker blush. I reviewed this blush in my last video. If you want to go check it out, link is in the description. But I just applied it, keeping like an inch between my nose and the bottom of my eye. I then applied the 3CE liquid lipstick, and it was I then blended it out, trying to make it look a little better, but then I just decided to add more lipstick on top of it. I tried a gradient lip, as you can see by my various attempts at blending it out. I then just applied the Milani red. It's sort of like a blue red lipstick. If you have anything like it, just use that. And it turned out pretty good actually. After all the blending, I was actually pretty happy with it. I then used the Hemish rose palette, and beautiful colors. I absolutely love it. So here I'm just using a base shade. I'm using brown. I usually just use neutral colors. You can also use the pink shade that was in there, but I just used a brown shade. I then contoured with a darker brown, and I did that on the corner and the inner corner of the eye. I then took the same shade and extended it down to the lower lash line and blended it out with a fluffy brush. I then took a pink and a little bit of a darker pink shade and use it to soften the contour that I just did on the lower and upper eyelid. I then took a pearl colored eyeliner and lined the bottom part of my eye. Taking the purple shade in the palette, I just used it to extend the top lash line to make it look like I had a longer lid space, I guess. And then I use it to define some of the work that I went over and blend it out with the pink shades. I'm gonna use this pink one. I'm gonna use this pink one here. Freshly opened, look at this. I love it. So I just use this pink glitter to apply to the lower part of my eye as well as the lid. However, whenever I use glitter, I apply it slightly above the crease. Using your finger to tap it would be fine. I also use that pink shade to put down a base color to where I'm going to apply the glitter in the future. And I also took that and blended it up towards the shadow that I did earlier. And I'm just applying the glitter closer to the lash line for a more natural look. However, I went back later and applied way more glitter because, you know, it's me. Also applied in the inner corner of the eye to make your eyes look slightly bigger. That's also the purpose of the white/pearl eyeshadow. However, I feel like it's more natural for people with darker skin tones to use a pearl one rather than pure white. So here I'm just doing what I said earlier and blending the glitter upwards, slightly above the crease. So here I'm just taking the same color, the same color brown that I used to contour my nose, to do the egg style. Just define it a little outward than it usually goes, just to make your eyes look slightly bigger. I really like this look. And then basically just fill in the rest with glitter lightly. I'm using a liquid eyeliner to make a wing that goes slightly down and connects basically not with the egg style, but sort of with the over the lid contour that you did earlier. So using an eyelash curler helps elongate the lashes and make it appear longer after you've applied mascara. Alright, I'm done with this side. I'm gonna do some other stuff on camera, just hair and other like outfit change. So I'll be right back, and hopefully that brings all this together, because I'm looking a little crazy right now, child. I'm looking a little crazy right now. So we're gonna be back and we're gonna have all that together. All right, so this is the final look. Please don't mind my hair. Like, I don't have bangs, and this is a straight like middle part wig, so I have to, like, I did this in my other video, like my most popular video. Oh shoot, let me plug this in. I did this in my most popular video. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but I had like a middle part then too, and I just had to, like, you know, fix it like this. So all I did was add gloss and contacts and did my hair, and that's pretty much all. Like, I guess I'm gonna take some pictures and, you know, show you guys. I'm crying because, like, you know, I had to put my contacts in, but it's mostly solution, but, you know, still my nose sort of burns for some reason. So yeah, please ignore it. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be. Okay, but no, this is it. I'm gonna take some pictures and videos and pose. You might see it at the beginning of the video. I might put it at the beginning of the video, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's what we got going on, period. So you know, please like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, everything will be in the link. Most of the stuff was from ft.stylevana, some of it was from Yesstyle or stuff that I already had, but I'll still link them. This sweater that has stuff on it is from Shein, and yeah, I found my earrings, by the way. These have been missing for 3 days. Oh, I found my other one too. Girl, look at me. But yeah, she's here, so we're gonna pose, so I'm gonna go do that.